How to transfer Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Phantom wallet, and then on the home page you will be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you own and that you can transfer very easily. Now, since you want to transfer Solana from your Phantom wallet to your Binance account, you need to tap on the send option and then you need to select Solana. Afterwards, it will ask you to provide the address. So in order to get the address, you need to launch your Binance mobile application. Then tap on the add funds option. Over here, select the deposit crypto option and you need to use the search bar in the top and search for Sol. Once you are able to find Sol, tap on the Sol option, and over here you need to make sure that you select Solana network. After selecting the network, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy that from here, then come back to your Phantom wallet and paste the address in this section. Then you need to press next in the bottom. On the next page, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer from your Phantom wallet. Then you need to press the confirm button. After that, you need to wait for some time until your transaction is completed. Once your transaction is completed, you need to wait for some time until you get your Solana into your Binance account. Now this may take up to 1 to 5 minutes, so you just have to simply be patient and you need to just wait for some time. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.